Hello and welcome. You're watching DD News with me, Munmun Bhattacharya. Let's begin with our lead story. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached the holy city of Allahabad to attend the two-day BJP National Executive meeting that began today. The meeting was inaugurated by the party President Amit Shah. During the two-day meeting, the party will highlight 2 years of achievements of the NDA government and also review its policies. Meanwhile, BJP's office bearers meeting began in Allahabad this morning, which was chaired by party chief Amit Shah, top party leaders, several union cabinet ministers, chief ministers of BJP-ruled states and a large number of office bearers from across the country are taking part in the deliberations. PM Modi will address the valedictory session of the meeting tomorrow. Let's take a look now at all the events scheduled for the ongoing National Executive meeting.
Busy roads of Allahabad city clearly shows all the arrangements going on for the BJP's two-day National Executive meet, which will kick-start from Sunday. The meet will begin at 5 in the evening with BJP President Amit Shah's speech. The following and the last day would be dedicated to political and economic proposals of the party.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी में प्रस्ताव लिए जाएंगे, उन प्रस्तावों पर पदाधिकारियों के बैठक में चर्चा होगी। तो इलाहाबाद में उत्तर प्रदेश इकाई के द्वारा विशेष रूप से इलाहाबाद और इसके आसपास के जिले के कार्यकर्ताओं में जो एक उत्साह का संचार आया है, वो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी एक विशाल जनसभा को, परिवर्तन सभा को 13 तारीख की शाम को संबोधित करेंगे।
During the meeting, party will discuss recently held assembly elections along with an eye on the crucial Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Goa assembly elections slated to be held next year. Party will also showcase the achievements of the Modi government in the last 2 years of its governance.
में एक प्रदर्शनी भी लगाई जा रही है। सरकार के 2 साल के जो कार्यकाल रहे हैं, जो नीतियां रही, जो योजनाएं रही हैं, गांव गरीब किसान के लिए, युवाओं के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए, यह पूरी की पूरी एक प्रदर्शनी लगाई जा रही है। लोग जाएंगे, प्रदर्शनी में देखेंगे और वहां से और अधिक से अधिक जानकारी लेकर के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में जाकर के उसका प्रचार प्रसार करेंगे।
The executive meeting will be followed by a rally organized at Parade Ground, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will give his closing remarks. Nevertheless, Allahabad has been the state's political epicenter and the place where stalwarts have learned their ropes. And a party meeting organized here will certainly have a catalytic effect on party effects to bring out political change in Uttar Pradesh. Shailendra Mishra's report, DD News, Allahabad.
In his opening address to the two-day National Executive of the party, President Amit Shah launched a scathing attack on the Congress and said that it is getting increasingly weakened because of its repeated obstructions in the path of development. Amit Shah also said that Prime Minister Modi has given decisive leadership to the NDA government in the last 2 years.